Haley's ice cream cone because it's dripping. Can Grandma have it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Do not take the chocolate ice cream away from the baby. You're silly. Haley, can Grandma have that?
Yeah, give it to Grandma.
Grandma, don't take it away from him.
Well, I wanted to take it and lick some of that off because it's melting. Can Grandma have this? Can Grandma have this?
Yes, yeah. Whoops. Here we can share mine too. Here we can share my ice cream cone. Here, Grandma, have a little lick of this.
No, you eat it.
There you go. Ooh, thanks, Haley. I'm sharing.
Yeah, you're sharing. You share with Grandma too? Huh?
Here you go.
Oh, she's got one.
I don't want it.